All right, guys, check it out. Today, I am back again with another handgun unboxing. So recently, I just picked up the Glock 43, and at my local gun store, I happened to see the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. And so I asked them, hey, can I try it out? Can I just hold it in my hand, see how it feels? And you know what? It's one of those things again. You just know it's the right thing. You have to buy it. And so that's exactly what I did. I went out to my local gun store again, traded in my SIG P365 because honestly, I wasn't a fan of that. And I bought myself the Bodyguard 2.0. So here we go. It comes in a cardboard box with these flaps. Let's go ahead and open it up. Bam, here it is. So they took out the safety. This is the Bodyguard 2.0. Let's take it out of this Smith & Wesson sleeve right here. Oh, check this out. So as you can see, still got the tag and everything. So once again, I did trade my P365 for this, which, oh my gosh, I love this. This feels like a Shield, but baby version, man. I love this so much. Oh, and this also is my first 380. So I'm pretty excited to get into that world of 380 ACP. So it does come with the 12-round mag in the handgun itself. And then here we have the 10-round flush fit mag, which again, if you see my Glock 43 unboxing, I got pretty small hands, so my fingers can wrap around just the flush fit mag, and it feels great in the hand. See, it's got the lock, and you got some paperwork in there. So cool. And then you got the box here. So let's take a look at the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard. So these mags look very similar to the Shield Plus mags. So if you've ever had that handgun before, then this will look very familiar. And honestly, it feels very familiar as well. So it says 380 auto here, which is super cool. One thing I have heard about these mags is that they do get stiff, again, just like the Shield, but it's something that I'm quite familiar with. And here, let's take a look at the Bodyguard 2.0. Oh my goodness. I'm going to call this the 2.0. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. That was a little bit cheesy, but so it just feels good in the hand, you know? So people weren't kidding when they say this felt like a toy gun, you know, small like that. But it really does, you know? And man, it just feels really good. It fits my hand really well, but at the same time, I mean, I don't know, it just feels right. And then we got the sights right here. So let me see if I can line it up on my camera. So it's pretty wide here, pretty wide on the rear sight. And on the front sight, it's orange, which is super, super cool. And then, so this version, I did opt to go with the non-manual safety version. It's just how I prefer it now. And yeah. So here it is, slide locked, and the magazine release feels really good too. So it easily just slides out both mags, which is good. Boom, just like that. And the trigger, again, just feels really good. It's very similar to the Shield Plus. Oh yeah, just that very nice, crisp click. You get to that wall really, really fast. Oh yeah, dude, this thing is awesome. And also what's really cool is that if you look very close here, these rough parts around the grip of the handgun are really nice because you know, my hands tend to get really sweaty when you hold on to a handgun. And so these really rough parts help your hand kind of grab onto the gun. And also right here is a little bit rough here. So you can put your thumb there without it having, you know, slide all over the place. And then the same goes on the other side. You can put your index there and you don't have to worry about them slipping off, you know, if you have sweaty hands or whatever. But overall, man, I really, really like the first impressions of the Bodyguard 2.0. I know that was pretty much back-to-back, just handgun action and unboxing, but, you know, it's one of those things, you can't help it. Once you see it, you just can't get it out of your mind. You have to have it. So that's what I did. So now the Bodyguard 2.0 is now a part of my collection as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I can't wait to go buy some ammo and go to the range, have some fun with this one, and just, you know, find a holster that works for me. Until next time, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.